Good job.
You.
Okay, now let's go to the dumpster and dump it out.